Health status confirmed, eyes are clear.
Agreed. Ensure they move slowly to the chute.
This one looks healthy, clear eyes. Noted. Ear tag scanned.
We carefully observe the eyes, skin, and movement. Any unhealthy sheep are separated immediately. The approved
Eyes clear, coat looks good. Confirmed. Marking as approved.
The Suffolk sheep rest in shaded, ventilated pens before processing. Clean water is provided to every Suffolk sheep. Each sheep is humanely stunned using approved methods. The sheep feels no pain during this process.
Each sheep is humanely stunned using approved methods. The sheep feels no pain during this process. Each sheep organ is inspected individually. Edible organs are separated for processing. Waste organs.
Not compliant, note the lesion here.
Understood. Removing from the line now.
Sheep meat is sealed in vacuum packed packs. Oxygen is refreshed all that.
Seal failure here.
Got it. Reseal immediately.
This one is verified for export. Check the label again.
Ah, right. It goes to pallet 4, not 3.
Exactly. Speed and accuracy.
Speed and accuracy, people. Get these verified and loaded onto the eastbound truck immediately.
That's the last pallet for the city run, right?
Yeah, seal it up. The driver is ready to go.
Every shipment is monitored by our tracking systems, maintaining safe temperatures and guaranteeing freshness.
The label confirms it's locally sourced. See that?
See what? Oh, wow, that's perfect. The quality looks excellent. Look at the label, it's very clear. The quality seems high. Yes, let's get it. The quality here is always excellent.
Yes, this cut looks perfect.
Look at the color on these chops.
It's perfect.
Definitely getting this for dinner tonight.